Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve printer spooler service error in Windows 10. It's work earlier version of Windows also. If your printer spooler service has stopped working and you might receive a pop-up indicating that so that you can't add a printer because spoiler is not running. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type services, open it. Now you want to search for printer spooler. I'm clicking any of these and type P in keyboard, easy to find. Printer spooler, here is, double click on it. It's running guys. I want to go to dependicates, remote procedure call, expand this. Want to see whether is two files are running. If printer spooler is not running, you want to start it and click on automatic, click apply on OK, and you need to find that's two services. That name is decom server process launcher. Double click on it, whether it is running, check it. You want to start it automatically and apply and OK. And the next thing you want to see is RPC endpoint, RPC endpoint mapper. Double click on it. You want to start it also, this also, click automatic and start and apply and OK. That's it guys. This tutorial will definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.